This is a 1988 Galaxy 16-inch table fan, model 2151. I got this fan while I was down in Tennessee for a couple weeks at this little flea market type store for 10 bucks. They had 15 on it, but I kind of balanced out the blades and wire ceiling fans, so he gave me 5 bucks off on it. Overall, this fan's in pretty good shape. The badge really needs to be repainted, but other than that, it's pretty much perfect. Tiny bit of corrosion on the grills, but this is one really worn out fan. I mean, you can see the head joint is really worn out and loose, and the oscillator is worn out and loose, and it's tired. But one very interesting thing about it is this. I don't know how well you can see that. Peel. It still has the little sticker on there to keep the base from getting scratched up. I thought that was really cool. I noticed that when I got back, actually. I noticed it in the car because I had it sitting right next to me. I happened to see the sun glinting off it, and sure enough, it said Peel right there. I said, oh, that's pretty neat. Yeah, I've been wanting one of these 16-inch gray Galaxies for a long time to go with the two 12-inch ones I own. I have a 9-inch one, but it's got the Air King name on it and really light gray blades, and it's from the mid-90s sometime, so I really wouldn't count it. But I have a 1988 12-inch and a 1989 12-inch to go with this one. I'll get videos of those coming up sometime soon. But anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.